My name is Nancy Petzold. I am the Administrator and Director of Nursing Services for Insight Healing Center.
My name is Allison Pyatt. I'm the External Clinical Director for the Insight Healing Center. I act as a clinical liaison and all new referrals go through me.
The Healing Center is a comprehensive rehab center. We provide services to traumatic brain injuries, ortho injuries, people in car accidents or workman comp injuries. We have comprehensive therapies within the building to help assist the recovery.
The benefit of Insight being a multi-specialty clinic to our Insight Healing Center patients is that whenever a patient needs an appointment with pain management or orthopedics or neurosurgery or even imaging, we're able to get that patient an appointment from minutes to hours, whereas if the patient were in another facility, they may be waiting weeks to months for an appointment with any of these specialties.
When dealing with patients recovering from motor vehicle accidents, we like to approach the overall quality of care with them. Our main focus is patient care second to none, which provides 24-hour care to these patients with a higher patient-to-staff ratio, which gives them the opportunity to recover more in a home-like setting, gives them the ability to have the comfort, them and their families, to know that they're being taken care of, and help them to progress as far as possible to return to their prior living status, or at least get them progressed to be able to go home if absolutely possible. The Healing Center approaches injuries from patients suffering from traumatic brain injuries and orthopedic injuries from automobile accidents. So we specialize in giving them the overall treatment they need to recover, to try and get them back to their prior functioning levels, such as physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy. We get them to the physicians that they need to help them recover, along with giving them all services and the care that they need to help them recover from the injuries that they're dealing with. An ideal candidate for the Insight Healing Services is traumatic brain injuries or orthopedic injuries resulting from a motorcycle accident, a motor vehicle accident, or even workman comp injuries. Being in a home-like setting allows the patients to feel like they're at home, which gives them more comfort to be able to return to their prior level of functioning. We offer many activities for these patients to get outside the building, unlike most facilities. This allows them to have some freedom outside while they're attending different activities such as kayaking, bowling. We've even taken them to the Woodward Dream Cruise, county fairs. We incorporate music therapy with them and lots of recreational activities to make them feel like they're still functioning within the society while recovering. The most rewarding part of working at the Healing Center is just watching these patients progress. They come into us with traumatic injuries. Many of them are worried if they're ever going to be able to return to a normal life or even be able to function outside here. So being able to watch them from day one coming to us where they can hardly move to actually progressing them to helping them get back home and have as much normal life as we possibly can. One patient that comes to mind to me came to us about 1.5 years ago. When he was admitted to us, we were given orders saying that we probably need to consider placing this patient on hospice because they didn't expect him to survive. The patient had decubitus ulcers, PEG 2, colostomy 2. He stayed with me for about 11 months. We were able to recover him. He was able to walk out of here, and he currently is driving a vehicle. The one thing I would like people to know about recovering from traumatic injuries is there's always going to be some kind of deficit, but our goal is to always try and get you back to the highest functioning level we possibly can, so you still have some kind of social life and quality of life that you will portray once you are healed from some of the injuries you suffered.
If you'd like to learn more about the Insight Healing Center, you can go to iinn.com/healing center.